vlog out to share you, maggagawa tayo ng maskara. Ang kailangan natin, scotch tape.
Okay, scotch tape.
Tapos scissor.
Okay.
Tapos watercolor.
Watercolor.
Tapos
paintbrush. Tapos ano pa?
Tapos carton plate.
Carton paper plate. Ano pa?
Tapos itong card. So guys, I finished the color white. So next,
guys, she is done with the color white
so
painting, and then what's next?
Black on his eyes, and then his eye it has a pupil color yellow pupil. So the bunnies has a red lip or anything, guys. So Mr. Hop's like this, look good. So we need ears for him.
Very nice.
And we need more yellow. Well, beautiful. And put it in right here. And then we need for his ears and take this.
Yeah, kukuha daw siya niyan guys para sa ears.
And put makeup.
It's okay, it's okay. She already made one guys a while ago, the tiger. And the one she's making right now is a rabbit, na?
Yeah, Mr. Hop.
Mr. Hop.
And
guys, Ate Shasha is done making the necktie, okay?
so it's not to color the ears.
Okay, it's time to color the ears na daw guys. Ayan, nagka-color na siya guys ng ears.
Because it's tiny.
Okay, tapusin mo na yung mga ears ha.
Okay. So this is the ears. First, put this in here and get the black.
Okay.
So let's put again this in here because we need more. A lot.
2 ears, di ba?
Yeah, because rabbit has only 2 ears.
Is there an animal which has 4 ears? Have you saw?
No.
Haven't?
They have no people and everything has no 4 ears or 5,500 ears.
There is, but there are people who have big ears.
Yeah.
Right?
So guys, ito pa, ika-tape natin ito.
Ayan guys, nakagawa na si ate ng, anong tawag yan ate? Hindi yan, ears ba yan? Parang sungo yun.
Hindi.
Ears na pala yan guys.
You're not sure eh. Parang itong lolo.
Ilagay mo doon natin sa white para nakikita ni guys. Ayan. Doon sa center ng white para malinis. Yan. So people can see what you're doing.
Okay, we need more to Mr. Hall. What is not missing?
What mask are you doing? Mask na?
Mr. I finished now this Mr. Hop. Now look.
Nagawa niya na guys. Nag-painting na siya.
one.
Ayan. Nakagawa siya guys ng
So
dalawa.
I'm making his eye.
Ito, how did you do this? Ayan. Ito na guys yung ginawa niya guys. Oh. Nagawa siya ng... Ito is bunny to, anak? Bunny?
Yeah.
Mr. Hop daw yan guys. Yung isa si...
So Mr. Stripe.
Mr. Stripes. Ang very good ni ate.
At natin yung mata niya.
Ayan. Nagayan na lang natin ang mata yan. Oh. Galing niya ate siya. Siya pangalawa niya na to eh. Artist ka ba?
Yeah.
You want to become a professional artist someday?
I see. So
Yee! Congratulations ate!
guys,